Hello, my amazing friends. Welcome to a special story. Today, I'm not just sharing tips, I'm giving you a way to change your life. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine waking up in the morning. You don't feel tired. You don't feel lazy. You don't feel worried. Instead, you feel strong. You feel clear. You feel full of energy. You know who you are. You know where you're going. You know what to do. This is not a dream. This is how successful people start their day. Why do some people succeed faster? Why do they think better, feel happier, and grow stronger? They're not born special. They don't have magic. They do one simple thing. They control their morning. Here's the truth. If you can't control your morning, you can't control your day. If you can't control your day, your dreams will fade away. Success is not about luck. It's not about being rich or smart. It's about what you do in the first hour after you wake up. Today, I'll share 7 powerful morning habits. These habits make normal people become great. They help you grow in your mind, heart, and life. This story is not for lazy people. It's not for those who complain. It's for you, if you want to break your limits. If you're tired of feeling lost, slow, or weak, this is your chance. These habits will make you strong, clear, and full of success. Stay until the end, because this story will change how you wake up tomorrow. It will improve your English and your life. Grab a notebook, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Habit 1. Wake up at the same time every day. This sounds easy, but it's hard to do. That's why it's so strong. Successful people don't just wake up early. They wake up at the same time every day. No excuses. The first fight of your day is with your alarm clock. If you win this fight, you control your life. Let's be honest. You know those mornings. You set your alarm for 6:30 a.m. It rings. You reach for the snooze button. Just 5 more minutes, you think. But 5 minutes become 30. Now you're rushing. You skip breakfast. You're stressed. Your day is already a mess. Now imagine this. You wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. You sit up. You breathe deeply. You feel calm. You feel proud. You say, "I'm ready." This habit builds something special inside you. It builds power. It tells your brain, "I am strong. I am not lazy. I control myself." When you win the morning, you feel strong all day. For example, soldiers, athletes, and CEOs wake up at the same time every day. Why? Your brain needs a rhythm. If you wake up at random times, your brain is confused. It's slow. But if you wake up on time, your brain becomes sharp and focused. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. Choose a time that works for you. 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., or 7 a.m. Stick to it every day, even on weekends. Even when you're tired, that's when you grow. When you wake up on time, your brain hears, "I am the boss. I lead my life." If you hit snooze, your brain hears, "I'm weak. I'm not ready." So choose your time. Make it important. Never break it. Win the morning, and you'll win the day. Habit 2. Don't touch your phone for the first hour. Your morning is for building your mind, not filling it with noise. Most people wake up and grab their phone. They scroll Instagram, check messages, or watch videos. Their eyes are half closed, but their brain is already full of stress. Let me ask you, how can you build a great life if you start your day with someone else's life? How can you focus if you compare yourself to others on social media? This is not just a habit, it's a fight for your brain. Imagine two mornings. In the first, you wake up and check your phone. You see a stressful work message. You scroll Instagram and see perfect bodies or fancy cars. You watch YouTube drama. By the time you get up, you feel worried, tired, and small. Your brain is full of other people's lives. Now imagine the second morning. You wake up and leave your phone alone. You splash cold water on your face. You write in a notebook, "Today I am calm, I am growing." You make tea. You stretch. You feel light. You feel in control. Your thoughts are yours. No noise, no drama. Successful people protect their morning mind. The first hour is your foundation. You can't build a strong life on a weak start. When you check your phone first, you say, "Other people are more important than me." When you wait an hour, you say, "I choose peace. I choose growth." Try this. Don't touch your phone for 60 minutes. Stretch your body. Write 3 sentences in English. I am strong. I am learning. I am enough. Drink water. Read a page of a book. Set 3 goals. These small actions make you win. For 7 days, try it. Your brain will want the phone, but fight it. You'll feel clearer and stronger than ever. Habit 3, move your body. Your body gives energy to your mind. If you don't move in the morning, you start the day without power. You don't need a gym or fancy clothes. You need 10 minutes to tell your body, "Wake up, let's go." Your body and mind are connected. If your body is weak, your mind is lazy. If your body is tired, your mind is negative. But when you move, your blood flows. Your brain wakes up. Your mood gets better. You feel confident. Imagine this. It's 6:45 a.m. You stand by a window. You do 10 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, 10 squats. Your heart beats faster. You stretch your arms and neck. You feel alive. This is not just exercise. It's a change. Your brain is ready to work. Your heart is ready to shine. Your body carries your stress and pain. It's your greatest tool. Moving for 10 minutes says, "I care about myself. I'm ready." You can walk around your house. Do jumping jacks or high knees. Try yoga stretches. Dance to a song. Even better, listen to English motivational audio while moving. You'll train your body and English at the same time. Successful people don't wait for energy. They create it by moving. Start small. Move every morning, and your life will move forward too. Habit 4. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. Successful people are not the loudest. They're the clearest. Clarity comes from silence. Most people start their day with yesterday's stress. They think about mistakes, fights, or worries. This noise makes them tired and weak. Silence is like medicine. It cleans your mind. It makes you strong. Imagine 2 people. One wakes up and thinks, "I have too much to do. I'm not good enough. I'm tired." They haven't left bed, but their brain is already attacking them. The other person wakes up and sits quietly. They cross their legs, close their eyes, and breathe. They don't fight their thoughts. They watch them like clouds. After 5 minutes, their heart is calm. Their mind is clear. They're ready for the day. Silence is power. Life is noisy. Problems come. People shout. But if you start with silence, you're stronger than the noise. You don't need special tools. Sit on your bed or floor. No phone, no talking. Breathe slowly. If thoughts come, let them pass. Don't fight. After 5 minutes, you'll feel still. You'll find clarity. Many great people, like Steve Jobs, used silence. A quiet mind makes strong choices. Before the world touches you, sit in silence. Meet yourself. That's where success begins. Habit 5. Write your top 3 priorities. Without a plan, your energy is lost. A productive person finishes what matters. A busy person does too much and gets nowhere. Successful people don't do 20 things a day. They do 3 important things with focus. Imagine Daniel. He wakes up and tries everything. Emails, chats, news, videos. He's busy, but at night, he feels empty. Now imagine Jack. He writes 3 goals. Finish a book chapter, send a work email, practice English. He focuses on these. At night, he feels proud. His goals are done. Writing 3 priorities stops overthinking. It saves energy. It gives you direction. After silence or stretching, take a notebook. Ask, what are my 3 most important tasks today? Write them clearly. For example, learn 10 English words. Apply for a job. Exercise 20 minutes. Do these first, before emails or social media. Finish them early. Winning small tasks builds big success. Write in English to practice. If you win days, you win weeks. If you win weeks, you change your life. Habit 6, read something powerful. Your brain is like a garden. What you read is the seed. When you wake up, your mind is fresh. It's ready to learn. Most people fill it with garbage, gossip, news, or drama. They wonder, why am I not motivated? You can't plant bad seeds and expect good results. Successful people read to grow. They read about courage, focus, or life. Reading shapes how you think. How you think shapes your life. Imagine 2 people. One reads 10 pages of a good book every morning. They read about confidence or success. After 30 days, they think better. They make smarter choices. They feel strong. The other person scrolls videos and gossip. After 30 days, they're tired and distracted. Reading 10 pages a day can change you. Read books that help you grow. Try self-help books, stories of successful people, or English learning books. If English is hard, start small. Read 1 paragraph. Write 3 new words. Say them out loud. Let the book teach you. Read for 10 minutes every morning. It will wake up your mind and show you what's possible. Habit 7. Speak or think in English for 5 minutes. To change your life, change your voice. You're learning English to grow. Speaking English every morning builds confidence. It removes fear. It makes English your power. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak for 5 minutes. Don't worry about mistakes. Say, today I am strong. I am learning English. I believe in myself. Talk about your goals. I want to speak fluently. I want a better job. This changes your feelings. It wakes up your brain. It builds belief. English is a tool. It opens doors to jobs, freedom, and dreams. Practice every morning. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak about your day or dreams. Record your voice to improve. Speak slowly. End with a strong sentence. I am growing. I will succeed. This habit builds confidence, fluency, and belief. Most people fear speaking because they don't practice. When you hear your English voice daily, fear disappears. You'll think in English. You'll speak without worry. Make this your rule. 5 minutes of English every morning. Your voice is strong. Believe in it. These 7 habits are not just tips. They're tools to make you unstoppable. If you follow them for 30 days, you'll wake up with purpose. You'll feel stronger. You'll live with clarity. Success is not one big moment. It's small actions every morning. You don't need to be perfect. You need to start. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let the world say you're not enough. You are enough. I believe in you. Now believe in yourself. Thank you for reading. This story is your guide. Start these habits tomorrow. Practice English. Build your dreams. You are strong. You are ready. Shine every morning.